हुनर तालीम कमान है हम, एक सदी की पहचान है हम।
Could you please come on stage and recitation of Holy Quran of few verse?
والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم.
I would like to welcome Mr. Farooq Jamal Saab, Mr. Muhammad Usman, Mr. Anjum Sharif Saab, Mr. Tabish Anas Saab, Mr. Taha Shams, Mr. Sayyid Umayyad Ahmed and Dr. Suhail Ahmed who joined us on Audio Link, and Vice Chancellor at University Dr. Sarosh Asmat Madudi Saab. Thank you, welcome. Sir, first of all I would like to call Mr. Farooq Jamal Saab to please come on stage and few words with us.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. I take this privilege to talk to you on behalf of NED scholars over here, and I am really glad and proud that this type of donation and services is continuous for the last since 2007, I believe. So this is a real great honor and service to the alma mater that we have been through. कुछ बातें आप बच्चों के साथ, आप लोग बहुत लकी हैं, उन खुशकिस्मत लोगों में से हैं जिनको NED जैसे इदारे में मौका मिला पढ़ने का। यकीन करें NED एक ऐसा इदारा है कि जहां बच्चे इंटर में बहुत सारे दुआएं मांगते हैं कि किसी तरह NED में दाखिला हो जाए, और अब तो माशाल्लाह इसके 100 साल 100 इयर्स कंप्लीट होने वाले हैं। आई बिलीव के VC साहब ज़रूर इस पर कुछ कर रहे होंगे कार्रवाई 100 साल तकरीबात बनाने के लिए। तो ये एक अब हमारे लिए एक पूरा एक लेजेंड है, ये एक ऐसी एक खाली तालीमी इदारा नहीं है, बल्कि ये एक हमारे लिए एक ऐसी मुक़द्दस जगह बन गई है जहाँ बेशुमार इंजीनियर्स लड़के लड़कियाँ निकले हैं और आज पूरी दुनिया में अपना हिस्सा दे रहे हैं, अपनी इंसान की तरक्की में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। आप बच्चे जिनको आज सिलेक्ट किया गया है ये लैपटॉप देने के लिए, तो लैपटॉप एक एज अ टूल है आजकल की दुनिया में कि आज से 40 साल पहले इंजीनियर्स बग़ैर स्लाइड रूल के काम नहीं कर पाते थे। पता नहीं आप लोगों ने कितनों ने ये नाम सुना है। आज आपके लिए ये स्लाइड रूल से भी ज़्यादा कीमती चीज़ है जो लैपटॉप आप लोगों के हाथों में है। ये खाली खेलने कूदने के लिए नहीं है, बल्कि वाक़तन ये एक आपका प्रोडक्टिव टूल है। तो आप लोगों को बहुत मुबारक हो जिनको ये सब चीज़ें मिलेंगी। और वो तमाम सबसे ज़्यादा जो मुझे आज खुशी हो रही है इसके अलावा वो ये हो रही है कि NED स्कॉलर्स, एक्स NED स्कॉलर्स जो हैं वो बहुत तेज़ी से अब इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपना हिस्सा डाल रहे हैं और इसमें वो ऊपर की तरफ आ रहे हैं और हमें अपने इस जिम्मेदारियों से ओहदा बरा कर रहे हैं। तो ये बहुत खुशाइंद बात है कि आज मुझे एक्स NED स्कॉलर्स भी नज़र आ रहे हैं। और सबसे ज़्यादा जो शुक्रिया वो दो लोगों का, एक NED जो कि बज़ात ख़ुद पूरे स्टाफ के साथ, और VC साहब पिछले साल भी अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के यहाँ आए थे और हमेशा पेश होते हैं इसमें, और आज भी हमारे दरमियान मौजूद हैं। और एक डॉक्टर सुहेल और उनकी वाइफ नाहिद साहबा का, दोनों इंजीनियर्स हैं और दोनों पिछले कई सालों से इसकी एक अजीम मिसाल सर्विस अबव सेल्फ की है। तो बहुत शुक्रिया जनाब सब आप लोगों का आने का। और ये जो टूल आपको दिया गया है इसको आपने ना सिर्फ इस दिए को जलाना है, बल्कि ये दिल में अहद करना है कि जब हम इंजीनियर बन जाएंगे तो हमने NED स्कॉलर के प्लेटफॉर्म से दूसरे दिए जलाने हैं, ताकि हमारा ये पूरा मुआशरा रोशनी से, तालीम से और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ लाइफ से जगमग करे। बहुत शुक्रिया।
thanks, Mr. Farooq.
Suhail, Farooq Jamal, Usman Saab, the other NED scholar, guests and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is a very unique initiative which was started 17 years ago, or 13 years ago rather, by a batch of mechanical engineering 1980-81. And I must give a lot of credit to Dr. Suhail for not only initiating this wonderful program of NED scholars, but also his friends and colleagues from the same batch who have been providing support to the students over the last 13 years. It's not an easy job to, raise money and then do it on a sustainable basis. At one time you can raise some money, but doing it over every year for 13 years is no easy job, and that obviously a lot of credit goes to the batch of mechanical engineering 80-81. I also belong to the batch of 80-81, but I was in civil engineering, and unfortunately civil engineering hasn't started anything yet. But Farooq and others have done a tremendous job. They are here, they always try and coordinate, they always try and identify the students right to participate in this NED Scholars Program, and every year this amount is increasing. And every year the beneficiaries are increasing as well. But to be very honest, to me, it is not the amount of money which is important, it's the gesture which is far, far more important. And the kind of service that they are providing, they're not only providing financial support, they're not only providing hardware support, they're providing mentorship, they're providing guidance, they're providing counseling, which to me is a very, very important thing, especially in this difficult times where we are going through this COVID and everybody, these masks have become an integral part of our dress. Only because, and even in this difficult time, NED scholars have been able to raise about 2.12 million rupees to support 33 students. I mean, this is commendable. You go out and start collecting money, and it's not easy, especially in such a difficult time when the entire world is suffering. And these are horrible stories. You just look around and you see the sufferings, and you just keep on praying that Allah Ta'ala protect us and give us relief from this pandemic, which is not going anywhere, unfortunately. And in these difficult times, Suhail and I had an opportunity to work together as well as at NED faculty, and we started our career at NED together. And it was only because of people like Suhail who have left, and that has left me with no competition. Otherwise, had he been here, probably I would have a stiffer competition. I hope, Suhail, you're listening. But, coming back to the recipients of this, or becoming part of this NED scholar family, I must congratulate you. It is a special privilege to be part of a very exclusive club. And the reason I call this exclusive club is that you will become an integral part of this NED scholar family for the rest of your life. And it is so heartening to see that the NED scholar family is growing and people are returning back to support this great cause, which I don't think I've seen it happening anywhere else. Because, people who were the beneficiaries some time ago are now coming back to become the benefactors. That's an amazing phenomenon which I haven't seen anywhere else. So, at the end of the day, you will, inshallah, become the benefactors also. And I'm pretty confident that being part of NED University, and as Farooq mentioned, having a 100-year legacy we are lucky to be part of this institution. And inshallah, next year is our centennial year, and we intend to celebrate in a very big manner, provided the circumstances allow us. We had a big alumni convention last year in December. I don't know how many of you are aware of it, but on the last day, that was on the 29th of December, about 4,500 alumni from all over the world attended that event. And it was beyond my imagination, to be very honest, and to see how much love and affection this institution carries for the people, only because this has made a difference in our lives. being an NED graduate myself, being an alumnus, I still feel the same heat when I graduated. Even though it's been, how many, 35 years. But I come to this place every day with the same enthusiasm because this institution has given us so much. And I'm sure this 100-year-old institution will help you a long way in shaping up your career, in shaping up your personal lives. On the other hand, you have a huge responsibility also on your shoulders to live up to the expectations of this institution and to live up to the reputation of this institution. And you have to prove yourself that you're not coming from an ordinary institution. No matter how ordinary things may look while you're a student, but when you go and graduate and work elsewhere and probably go overseas, you will be comparing yourself with the people from different graduates from different institutions in different countries. And then you will realize what value has been added to you while in 4 years of this study. And I've seen it happening so many times. There's so many success stories that it has become almost impossible to count them. You look at any field in the country and abroad, you will find NED alumni everywhere. Obviously, engineering is the core business of NED University, so finding successful engineers is obviously bound to happen. But if you look at our footprint in the Silicon Valley in US or elsewhere in the Middle East, you will find a very significant NED presence in some of the most important positions. Now, a large number of NED graduates have become politicians. There's so many cricketers and sports people. You know, there was a girl, she was in, I think, urban engineering, Ayman. She represented Pakistan cricket team. It was so heartening to see. You know, how many girls make it to that level? It's not that easy. And I'm sure, especially for the girls, it will be important to know that one of the famous drama writer, Farhat Ishtiyaq, is from NED University. And you know, I heard her, she was in civil engineering, so I had an opportunity to teach her too. But in one of the interviews, she said, and somebody asked her that who was her favorite teacher. And you know what she said? And this is, I'm sure you may not know it too. She said, Sir Safdar. Safdar Ali Khan is a graduate of 8081 mechanical engineering. He runs his private tuition center. He's a mechanical engineer, but moved on doing other business. And he's one of the, probably some of you may have heard of his name, he's one of the very famous mathematics teacher in the city. So, you know, you will find these kind of people all over. And trust me, all of you are one of those people. I can bet that none of you have a slightest clue of the potential you carry. You don't know how much potential you have. The reason I'm saying it, I've seen it for the last 35 years. That people like you and people like me, coming from pretty ordinary background, become success stories. So you are very blessed people. And I've been missing lectures. You know, because of the office that I hold, I hardly get a chance to teach. And that's why I've started delivering a lecture. So I'll stop here with a lot of thanks to NED scholars, teams, Farooq, Usman and others. Some of you are not here. I don't see Anjum and Tabish and others. So, but anyway, Anjum is not here. I was expecting, but probably got busy somewhere. NED scholars, especially the new benefactors. I reckon this is Taha Shams and Tabish Anas and Sayyid Umaid Ahmed. And I would like to congratulate you for being part of NED Scholar family, and I wish all of you a very good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your views with us. And मोहम्मद अनस हसन, एमन जावेद, शेख मोहम्मद हमास, उम्मे हानी, मुनीब लाइक, अलीशा अनवर,
अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ और ग्रेजुएट्स के साथ एक गैदरिंग करते हैं, जिस तरह हमने वो रास्ता है मैं इसी तरह मैं सोच रहा हूँ एक अच्छी सी जगह के ऊपर आफ्ताब साहब से नवंबर 15 और 16 नवंबर के टाइम पे